This is the video content type control area, and the video content type is going to show a video in your content type area of your brick, and it's going to automatically size that video to fill the space. So let's take a look at the options here. The first option is the video URL or embed code. And we can either paste in a video URL from YouTube or from Vimeo or from another video provider. So let's try one from YouTube. So we're going to go to youtube.com, find the video we want, and copy the URL. And then we'll go back to our brick and paste in the link to this video. And then we'll scroll up and we'll take note of the fact that in our first content type slot we have video selected, and in our second content type slot we have none selected with alignment set to left right. So our video should be on the left and we should have nothing on the right. So let's click update. And you can see that our video is on the left and we have nothing on the right. So let's try the same thing with a Vimeo video. So let's click on edit this brick. And then we'll scroll down to our video content type control area, and in the video URL or embed code area, we're going to paste a Vimeo URL. So let's go find the URL to our Vimeo video, copy that URL, go back to our brick, and paste in the link to the Vimeo video. So we'll click paste, and then we'll scroll up and click update. And you can see that now our video from Vimeo is embedded in the place where our YouTube video was. Now, what if we want to control things like whether or not this title shows up, or other things like autoplay? Well, Vimeo gives us control over that pretty easily. So we'll head on over to our Vimeo video page, click on this share button, and then we'll scroll down and click on this show options button here. Scroll down, and under special stuff, we can control certain things. So we'll click on autoplay this video, sure. Loop this video, show text link, no, we'll remove that. And we'll remove the portrait, title, and byline. So this has automatically updated our embed code here. So now rather than copying the link to the video, we're going to copy the embed code. So let's copy this embed code, go back to our brick, click edit this brick, and in the video URL or embed code area, we're going to copy our old link and paste in our new embed code and click update. And you can see now that our video is auto playing, and it's going to loop when it's done because of those extra options that we put in there. And also you'll notice that there's no title showing up over this video. So that gives us more control over the way that our videos are displayed. Now what if we want our video to be centered and fill this entire brick? Let's go to edit this brick. And instead of using a left-right alignment, which is going to put the video on the left, let's click centered, which will fill the video across the entire thing and put the content types above one another within this brick. So let's click update. And now you can see that our video is sitting centered in this brick above our other content type, which at this point is set to be none, but it's filling the entire space. Now what if we want our video to be centered, but only to be a certain width? Well, let's go back to edit this brick, and in the video content type under maximum video width, we can control how wide this video will grow to. So let's click on 500 pixels, which will restrict this video to only be 500 pixels wide at its maximum. So let's click on update. And you can see now that our video is restricted to 500 pixels at its maximum width. Otherwise, it would grow to fill the entire space. Now the cool thing about this is that our video is going to shrink to fit on mobile devices and grow only to be 500 pixels on big monitors. So let's take a look at how this grows and shrinks based on the size of our window. So I'm going to grab the side of my browser and drag it in, and you'll notice that the video resizes itself based on the width of my screen. So it's not actually going to create any overlap. It's actually going to size it perfectly just for the screen. So this is about the width of an iPhone, and you can see that the video is going to display just as nicely on there as it will when you drag it out, and it maxes out at 500 pixels and displays right in the middle. So this is how you can control your video in a responsive way to show good on mobile or on a desktop monitor. Now, if you want more information about how to control things like autoplay and whether to show related videos at the end of your video for YouTube, we showed that for Vimeo, but if you want to know that for YouTube, head over to developers.google.com/YouTube/player parameters, and under parameters, you can see that there's auto hide, autoplay, and a list of other options that you can add to the embed code for your YouTube video to help control that a little bit more. And that's how you use the video content type in MP Stacks.